Welcome back to episode 5 of This with That, where today I will be shooting this with that. Let's begin. So today I'll be shooting whoever designs these boxes are just stupid. What does this guy want? Can I help you? Every time. Let's begin. Freaking mosquitoes. I'm done with these things. If I get bit by one more mosquito, that's it. Look at all of them. Jeez. Get out of here. Oh, no. I hate mosquitoes. Remember to always wear the correct eye pro and ear pro. Like this. Now you are ready to begin to shoot. We'll do this one. Wait. Are these are consecutive serial numbers? They are. Oh, no way. So I got 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, no way. That's kind of cool. I didn't know they were consecutive serial numbers. Are you kidding me? I'm 20 feet away. There's no way. Are these smooth bore? Oh, these things are freaking smooth bore. All right. Whoa. Okay. Dialing it in. It's a dueling pistol. All right. So you turn away. You take your steps. Then you shoot. See, I'm already dead. Are you kidding me? There. That's a dead shot. Man, this grouping is not good. All right. These freaking mosquitoes. I'm daggone, it's right there too, bro. Watch this. Stupid mosquito. This thing doesn't shoot. I thought that'd be more interesting. My apologies. I thought these would be funner to shoot, but half of them didn't even work. They are consecutive serial numbers though, so that's what's going good for them. Oh, these mosquitoes. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Bonus clip. Thanks for watching. More bonus. Couple more bonuses. One more bonus. Thanks. Hit the freaking table. Is that bonus enough? Seriously though, could you like and subscribe and comment what I should do next? I'd appreciate it.